Sometimes Bove refers to pieces that are not on view as resting. They're like performers that have been taken off stage. The way that Bove works, really improvisationally, pieces of steel being brought together in an array of different configurations using gantries and cranes and winches. And when these things are sort of brought together, there's a moment when everything seems to click. There are a few, shall we say, rules to the collage sculptures. Scrap metal is used, it's used as is. Where pieces of steel tube meet each other, they're welded. But when unlike meets unlike, that's where bolting comes in. The piece in the garden, Amoureux, I was actually visiting her shortly after she had found the right match. And so the raw tubes were lying on the ground. They put chains on it, they pulled it till it was upright. You have these pieces of metal that are hundreds and hundreds of pounds, and they're just kind of floating in the air for those moments of composition and positioning, and it's a really magical moment.